Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create best thumbnails and posts free of cost by using Polotno Studio. Totally free, no need of account. Here is Canva interface. Most of the YouTubers are making thumbnails by using Canva, which requires account and monthly or year subscription, and everyone could not afford it. So today's I will share a secret website where you can make not only professional thumbnails of videos, but also have many features like Canva and other sites without any fee and subscription and login to account. Go to Chrome. Type studio.polotno. Click on first link. The website link is given in description. Here is the home page. Many options seen on right sidebar. Thousands of templates. Thousands of text fonts and styles. Photos. Icons of all social media apps, accounts, and everything. Shapes. Uploads. Upload images from computer or device. Videos. Background. Layers. Means all the things used in template can customize from layers. Resize. Select YouTube thumbnail or anything, it will automatically adjust aspect ratio. Select template and customize it. Download thumbnail by selecting file type as JPEG. Hope you liked the video. Please share your experience about the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.